Hi, today's discussion deals with the SVN or Subversion. This is Mubarak and I'll go through the SVN and its application. The SVN or Subversion is an open source revision control software which is designed to be a modern replacement of CVS. And this discussion describes how to set up an SVN repository in your Linux or Windows machine, and how to check out or import modules, update or commit changes to the repository under Windows or Linux environment. And after that we will see some example by using some project, and we will see how to check out a module from your repository and how to include files and how to make changes in your repository. So first we can check out a project from the repository. For that, just right click and you can click on the option SVN checkout, and here you have to give the URL of repository, and this is the address of your repository. The project is placed in the server 123.255 and 250. So in this particular server you have placed this project, and you're downloading this SVN repository into your client machine. So for that you need to give the username and the password. So I have downloaded the project into my client machine, and here you can see that in the module I have module 1, module 2 and modules 3. So in the module 1 I have different directories: code, docs and etc. In the code directory you can see the codes. I have a project HDLC HDLC controller. For that you have some VHDL codes for the transmitter, and inside the transmitter I have the core modules and the scripts and the test bench. And here in the receiver I have the core and the script and the test bench modules. Then finally you have the top level modules, and if you want to read the documentation you can see the doc files. Here you will see the documentation for the HDLC controllers. And now I'm going to make some changes in the codes of this HDLC project. Here I have a memory package. I'm going to open it, and this is our package, and I'm going to add some lines here. So here I'm making some changes. I'm putting a line user 1, again in the second line the coder is username user1. So I added 2 lines here, and so after that you can see the red mark. That means you made some changes in this particular file and you need to upload into your CVS repository. For that you need to just right click and commit. Here you will see a window. In this window you can give a message. That means if you're making some changes you can say that user1 is making some changes like that. So right now I'm giving the name of the user, that is user1, and here you can see that the files, modified files, and here you can see the file name and the extension and the text status, like the modified or added, like that. So now I'm giving OK. So it will ask for the username and the password. So it is uploaded into your CVS repository. So now it is showing again the tick mark. So, and if you want to add the files, you can do that also. So right now I'm going to add a file, a small file. Here I have a text file. I'm just copying it and pasting in this directory. So it is showing a question mark. That means it is not added in the CVS repository. So this is your client machine, and you have just copied a file into your client folder, and you need to upload into your CVS repository. So here you can see an option add. Now it is added, and after that you need to commit. So SVN commit and user1 added. That's a message, and the text status, you can see that it's added. So now it is added. So this file also is added into the CVS repository. Now for you can confirm that all these things are added and all the changes occur in the CVS repository. For that, I'm just deleting this particular project. Again, I'm I'm downloading the project into the client machine. So it is downloading. So here you can see that the project in the module 1, the code, see, this is this file you added, and you made some changes in the particular file, that is user1, and some other option is also available in this SVN software. That is if you want to see the log reports, show logs. So here you can see the changes, like this is the previous